Finn.
Finn.
Hi, Finn. So, Finn, do you go to school?
Yeah.
Me too. What grade are you in, Finn?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Okay, Finn, be careful. My Uncle Mikey said kindergarten was the hardest 10 years of his life. Finn, who's that sitting next to you? Who's that kid sitting next to you?
Colby.
Colby. Hey, Colby, do you go to school too?
Duh.
Did you say duh? I don't know. You could be old. I don't know how old you are. You could be like 30. What grade are you in, Colby?
I'm in grade 3.
Oh, okay. Cool. What, do you like math, Colby?
Not really.
That's probably why the math book is so sad. That and it has lots of problems. Okay, Colby and Finn, I got one more joke for both of you, and it's a knock-knock joke. Knock-knock.
Who's it?
It's knock-knock! It's Colby and Finn. I'll see you later. Bye, everybody!